butterflies in your Florida yard and how to attract these little flying rainbows. Hi, I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, bringing you another backyard nature moment. And this one is full of color, flutter, and just enough garden magic to make your yard feel like it's got its own tiny parade. Today, we are talking about butterflies. I have done some butterfly attracting myself because I absolutely love seeing the different colors dancing around my yard. There is just something special about walking outside and spotting bright orange, yellow, black, blue, or striped wings floating from flower to flower like they showed up for a very fancy garden brunch. And let's be honest, butterflies have better outfits than most of us do on a Monday morning. So why butterflies are good to have around in Florida? Butterflies are not just pretty little yard decorations with wings. They're pollinators, which means they help move pollen from flower to flower while they sip nectar. This helps support flowers, native plants, fruits, vegetables, and the overall health of your yard. Here in Florida, butterflies are especially fun to attract because our warm climate, native plants, and long growing seasons make this a wonderful place for them. Florida has a huge variety of butterflies, and so many species either live here, breed here, or pass through during migration. So when you're ready to create a butterfly-friendly yard, you're not just making your home prettier, you're helping support local wildlife. This is a win-win. The butterflies get food and habitat. You get a beautiful yard. Everyone gets a little more joy, and no closing costs required. My own butterfly yard goals. I love seeing butterflies in my yard, so I've done some butterfly attracting myself. There is nothing like adding the right plants and then seeing who shows up. It feels a little like hosting an open house for butterflies. You put out the good stuff, you make the yard look inviting, and then you wait for the guests to arrive. Except these guests do not ask how old the roof is or whether the seller's paying closing cost. They just flutter in, enjoy the flowers, and make the whole yard feel happier. So how to attract butterflies to your Florida yard? If you want more butterflies in your yard, the key is to give them what they need in every stage of life. That means food for the adult butterflies and host plants for the caterpillars. Yes, caterpillars are part of the plan. You can't have the butterflies without the caterpillars. It's the original before and after makeover. So you're going to plant nectar flowers. Adult butterflies need nectar. Nectar flowers are the colorful blooms that bring butterflies into the yard. And some great butterfly-friendly nectar plants may include firebush, porterweed, pentas, coriaspis, blanket flower, dune flower, black-eyed Susan, lantina, salvia, tropical sage, milkweed, verbena, zinnias, passion flower, goldenrod. Butterflies are especially attracted to bright colors like red, orange, yellow, pink, purple, and blue. Basically, if your flower bed looks like a box of crayons at a party, you're probably headed in the right direction. Then you need to add some host plants for caterpillars. Nectar plants bring butterflies in, but host plants encourage them to stay and reproduce. Host plants are the plants where butterflies lay their eggs and where caterpillars feed after they hatch. Each butterfly species may need specific host plants. Some common examples include milkweed for monarch butterflies, passion flower vine for Gulf fritillary and zebra longwood butterflies, citrus trees for giant swallowtails, cassia ursina for sulfur butterflies, parsley, dill, and fennel for black swallowtails, pipevine for pipevine swallowtails. And here is what we must brave, my fellow garden yellers. Caterpillars eat leaves. That is their job. So if you plant host plants, expect some chewing. Do not panic. Your plant is not being attacked. It's just being used as a nursery. Think of it as a tiny butterfly daycare. So choose native Florida plants when you can. Native plants are a wonderful choice because they're already adapted to Florida's climate and are familiar to local butterflies and pollinators. They often need less fuss once established, and they support the local ecosystem better than some of the non-native ornamental plants. This means less, why is this plant being dramatic? And more, look at the butterflies. As a realtor, I love anything that makes a yard beautiful without requiring you to spend every weekend battling nature like it owes you money. You want to plant in sunny areas. Butterflies love sunshine. They are cold-blooded, so they need warmth from the sun to get moving. A butterfly garden should be in a sunny location, ideally with several hours of sunlight every day. Add a few flat stones or sunny spots where butterflies can rest and warm their wings. This is called basking. Basically, butterflies enjoy a good sun deck. Very Florida of them. Provide water in damp areas. Butterflies do not usually drink from deep bowls or bird baths the way birds do. They often prefer shallow, damp areas where they can sip moisture and minerals. You can create a small butterfly puddling area by using a shallow dish with sand, soil, or small stones to keep it damp. It's like a butterfly hydration station. Fancy? Maybe. Adorable? Absolutely. Now, avoid pesticides when possible. If you want butterflies, be careful with pesticides. Many chemicals that kill garden pests often harm butterflies, caterpillars, bees, and other helpful insects. Try using Florida-friendly gardening practices, hand-picking pests when practical, choosing healthier plants, and accepting that a perfect garden is not always the best for yard wildlife. A butterfly garden may have a few nibbled leaves, and that's okay. Perfection is overrated. Butterflies are not. Create layers and shelter. Butterflies need a place to rest and hide from wind, rain, and predators. You can also make your yard more welcoming by adding layers. Flowers, shrubs, small trees, vines, grasses, natural areas. A yard with different plant heights gives butterflies more places to feed, rest, and shelter. Think of it as curb appeal for a tiny winged guest. Are butterflies good for your yard? Yes. Butterflies are absolutely good to have around. They help with pollination, support biodiversity, and are part of a healthy Florida ecosystem. They also make your yard feel peaceful, colorful, and alive. And let's not ignore the emotional benefit. Seeing butterflies in the yard just makes people smile. A home with a beautiful backyard full of flowers, butterflies has a special kind of charm. It feels warm, welcoming, and loved. And that's exactly the kind of feeling buyers remember when they're walking through a home. A pretty yard can make a big impression. Butterfly gardens and real estate. Now, you knew I was going to bring this back to real estate. Outdoor space matters. Whether you're buying or selling, a yard can be a huge part of how the home feels. A butterfly-friendly yard can add beauty, personality, and that I could sit out here with coffee every morning feeling. When I help buyers search for homes, I love helping them look beyond the square footage. I want to know how they live. Do they want a big backyard, a garden, a screened porch, room for the grandkids, space for the dogs, a peaceful place to attract butterflies, a sunny spot for flowers, a yard where your dog can supervise the entire neighborhood. These things matter because a house is not just a house. It's your everyday life. And if your everyday life includes butterflies floating through the garden, that sounds pretty wonderful to me. So a fun butterfly fact. Here is your fun butterfly fact. Butterflies taste with their feet. Yes, their feet. When a butterfly lands on a plant, it can use special sensors in its feet to help determine whether that plant is a good place to eat or lay eggs. So basically, butterflies are walking around doing taste tests with their toes, which is both fascinating and slightly rude if you think too hard about it. Want a yard worth fluttering over? If you're dreaming of a Florida home with a big yard, enough for flowers, butterflies, bird feeders, a garden, a pool, a screened porch, or even a little peaceful morning coffee spot, I would love to help you find it. Whether you're looking for your first home, your forever home, or your next chapter here on the Space Coast, I can help you search for the right home, the right yard, and the right lifestyle. And if you want a home where butterflies visit and your family can grow memories, call me. I'm ready when you are. So final thoughts, butterflies are beautiful, helpful, and a joy to have in your Florida yard. By planting nectar flowers, adding host plants, choosing natives, avoiding pesticides, And giving butterflies sunshine, water, and shelter, you can create a yard that supports local wildlife and looks absolutely gorgeous. I have loved attracting butterflies to my own yard and seeing all the variety of colors fluttering around. It's one of those little things that makes a home feel even more special. And when you're ready to find a home with a garden that can turn into your own butterfly paradise, I would be honored to help. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. Call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can search for homes at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for home tours, Space Coast fun, home tips, recipes, and, of course, maybe a dachshund or two. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and have an amazing Space Coast day.